Hello everyone, welcome to Coding with Harshil. This is Harshil Chudasma, and today in this video we will see that how can we add the CSS file in the HTML file. Means we have written our CSS code and now we have to connect that CSS code with our HTML file. So how can we do that? That we will see in this video with a practical example. So let's get started. First of all, how to add the CSS in our HTML. Okay, so there are total three ways to insert the our CSS code into the our HTML code. Okay, means we can say that CSS file we are connecting to the HTML file, right? So there are total three ways to connect that are the inline CSS, internal CSS and external CSS. Okay, so these three ways are there and all these three ways we will see in this video with your practical example. So now let's move forward to the coding. So here now I am in my Sublime Text editor. I have created a .html file with the name how to add CSS. I have given the title here and now I will add some tags here. Okay, so here you can see that here we have h1 tag with the coding with Harshil, h3 with the home and some dummy text with the p tag. Okay, so now let's save it and refresh in my Chrome browser. Then you can see that all these things are as it is. Okay, we get the proper output. Now we will add the CSS by the three ways. First one is the inline CSS, right? So we will do the inline CSS. So in the previous video of our HTML tutorial, we have seen that there is a one style attribute. Okay, so that style attribute is the part of the inline CSS. Inline CSS means in our HTML file we have written a tag, okay, or we can say that our section, and in that section, in that line we are editing our CSS, so that will be our inline CSS. Means in the one line we have written our HTML code and our CSS code also, so that is the our inline CSS. So here I am adding the inline CSS with this style attribute. So you can see suggestion style attribute, and here I can write my properties and values like color will be blue. Now let's save this file and refresh here. Then you can see we got the reflection here. The color is changed to the blue. So this is the inline CSS. I hope you have clear idea about this. Now let's move forward to the second way, which is the internal CSS. So in the internal CSS, we are editing the CSS code inside the HTML document, but not in the body. Okay, means I want to say that in the inline CSS we are editing the style here. Okay, but in the internal CSS we will add the our styles, our code inside the style tag. Okay, we have seen the style tag many more times in the previous video of the CSS tutorial, that what is the CSS syntax and selector. In that video also we have used the style tag. Okay, so that style tag is the our internal CSS. Okay, so I will write the style tag here like this, and here I can write like h3, and I'm changing the color to the red and increasing the font size to the 35 pixels. Now let's save this file, and now if I refresh here, then you can see the size is increased and the color is also changed. So this is called the internal CSS, and inline and internal is completed. Now let's move forward to the last one, which is the external CSS. So external CSS is different from the inline and internal. In the inline and internal, we are editing our CSS code inside the HTML file, but in the external CSS we are creating a .css extension file. Means we are creating a new file and we are connecting that CSS file with this HTML file. Okay, so I will create a file. I will create a new file and I will save it as how to add css.css. Here you can see we have to add the .css extension to create a CSS file. Okay, .css extension is required. Okay, so now let's save this file. Okay, and I can write here my CSS code, like I'm changing the background color. So body and background will be, let's say, light blue. Okay, so now let's save this and refresh here. Then you can see we got nothing change here. Why? Because we have doesn't connect this CSS file with this HTML file. Okay, so to connect that we require a tag called link tag. Means we are linking this .html file with the .css file. Okay, so here in the head tag I will write this link tag. So I'll write here link tag like this. You can see the suggestion, press enter, and you can see REL means relationship. Relationship is what? Style sheet. It is a style sheet language, cascading style sheet. Okay, style sheet language is there. So relation is style sheet. Type equals to text slash CSS. Okay, same way here also you can say text slash CSS. And at the end, last attribute is the href. Href means what CSS file you want to connect. Okay, in the anchor tag video of the HTML tutorial we have seen this href attribute, okay, to create a link. Okay, so I will write here my how to add css.css file. Okay, you can see I have to give the proper name of that. Now let's save this HTML file and refresh here. Then you can see we got the reflection and the background color is changed to the light blue. So now whenever we change here in the CSS file, let's say red, then it will automatically reflect to this here. Okay, so you can see this home is there, it is a red color and background color is red. So that is all about the our how to add the CSS in the our HTML file, and I hope you have clear idea about this one. So guys, that's all about this video. I hope you have clear idea, but still if you have any query, any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment, and you can also follow us on social media like Facebook and Instagram. I am also active there. And guys, if you are new to our channel, then make sure you subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the latest notification videos on my channel. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next time.